Hello and welcome to the Auto Riff. So on this episode, we got to go to a car show in town the other day. I got to take the family there. It was a lot of fun, a lot of cool cars. It's just going to be a short video showing you what we saw there. So it was really interesting to see the excitement in my son's face, especially because he was like dragging my wife to like different cars. He wanted to go see them. He wanted to see inside of them and everything. So that was really cool to see. And it's great to have some sense of normalcy after, obviously, the ongoing pandemic. So with that, make sure to like, subscribe, and all that, and make sure you listen to the podcast. Should be a new episode coming out soon. And with that, enjoy the video. Thank you.